I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Gummy bear. Oh yeah. I'm a gummy bear. Oh no, gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh wow. Oh.
Here, Dominic, let me get spaghetti all over you.
No. Whoa. Okay, you crazy kid. This hand is swollen now. Tap his hand.
Get him, Jesse, get him. Get him, Jesse, get him. So I'm gonna get spaghetti sauce all So I'm gonna get spaghetti sauce all over you. Get him! Oh, he got Jesse, do you like spaghetti? Do you like spaghetti? Jesse. 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 Jesse.
Hello.
Dominic.
Hi, Jesse.
Stop, please. Dom, stop. Jesse, do you like spaghetti?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like spaghetti? Say, especially when I'm getting it all over my brother. Get him, Jesse, get him. Get him, Jesse. Get him, Jesse. Say, come here, brother.
Come here, Papa. Come here, Papa.
Leland, do you like spaghetti?
Yeah.
You like spaghetti?
Yeah.
Are you feeling better now that you ate? Huh?
Hello.
Yeah?
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Jesse James.
Hi, Jesse.
Say, Jesse. 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 Jesse.
Oh,
Say,
yeah.
Jesse.
Gummy bear.
Jesse.
Oh, the gummy bear. Oh, the gummy bear.
Jesse.
Oh, the gummy bear. Oh, yeah.
Dominic, stop.
Oh, the gummy bear.
Jesse.
Hi.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Jesse. Say hello.
Oh, the gummy bear.
Dominic, leave him alone.
Hello.
Dom, leave him alone. Say hello.
Hello.
Jesse.
Hello.
Jesse.
Hello. Hello.
Can you say bye-bye?
Baby.
Can you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say uh-oh?
Uh-oh.
Can you say Bubba?
Papa.
Can you say...
Papa.
Can you say no?
Yeah.
Can you say... What else can you say? Oh, can you say boo?
Boo.
Can you say peekaboo?
Biba. Biba.
Peekaboo, peekaboo. Can you say mommy?
Daddy.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
No, daddy.
Dada.
Not dada. Daddy.
Dada.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Baby.
Baby. Hey, baby.
Is that yummy? Is your finger yummy? Can you say ow?
Ow.
Say ow.
Ow.
Jessie, say ow.
Ow. That mommy.
Are you gonna say ow? Can you say ow? Ow.
Ow.
I did. Mhm. Can you say ball?
Ball.
Ball. Say ball.
Ball, baby.
You're getting sketty all over him. Say ball. Good job. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Excuse you, piggy poo-poos. Jessie, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Are you eating the spaghetti off of your cup? Mm-hmm. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
What? You're goofy. Can you say bye-bye? Leland can say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Leland.
Bye.
No. Say bye-bye. Jessie, quit eating the cup.
Yeah.
Yes. Quit eating the cup. Don't eat your cup. Drink your milk. Lily, don't do that. Jessie doesn't have no more milk in his cup. He drank it all. That's what Lily needs to do. Jessie, can you say bye-bye?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
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 Lily, I know you can say it now. Please stop. Bye-bye.